I like to watch my aquariums. Observation is a key for proper care. I notice that my pets like to nibble on everything grown in aquariums, and it is true regardless of what type of shark pet you may have. If your pet likes plants, there is only one thing to do: let them enjoy it. And it is surprisingly easy. Live plants grow in all my aquariums. I have fast-growing duckweed and frogbits on top of each aquarium. I use a fork to collect up to half of duckweed every week or two from each aquarium nursery. It comes with pond snails. I put it all on a plastic cover, the one I use to cover my aquariums. Here is another view. Forking duckweed with fingers works too, but slower and messy. Also, I pick all spare aquatic plants from each nursery. Do not wait for your plants to wilt and die in your aquariums to make it dirty. Trim and prune the old but green and fresh plants before the wilt. I keep young growing plants. The old plants go on the plastic cover. There are LAD, dwarf lily, hairgrass, growing underwater land moss, among other plants I keep in my aquariums. In this example, I make cuttings of fast-growing LAD. This is what I get about every 2 weeks. I split it all between two plastic covers. Cut large plants on smaller chunks. Hardy terrestrial plants need to be cut in a blender, as I did in previous videos. Links in the description. Aquatic plants are much softer. Just spread them evenly on the plastic cover in a thin layer. And let it dry. The normal room temperature in 70s Fahrenheit will do. It gets hot on a windowsill, dries faster. I let this batch dry overnight. Plants are well dried once you can crush them between your fingers effortlessly in a powder. And it takes just a couple hours for duckweed to dry on a sunny day. Duckweed is very rich in protein. My guppies like it as it is. Though I prefer to mix dry plants with my homemade fish food flakes. Feed it to your fish at normal feeding time. Adding grown in aquariums plants into fish diet helps to keep fish and aquariums healthier. Have fun and happy aquariums!